Welcome back, grade 4. Today in science, we're going to be focusing on electricity. Electricity is very important in our lives. We would find it very hard to do without it. There are so many things in our homes that are powered by electricity that we have begun to depend on them. Imagine you woke up this morning and had no electricity. What difference would it make to your normal morning routine? What is electrical energy? Electrical energy is a form of energy resulting from the flow of electrical charge. Energy is the ability to do work or apply force to move an object. In the case of electrical energy, the force is an electrical attraction or repulse between charged particles. There are two types of electricity: current electricity and static electricity. Static electricity is Static electricity is a familiar electric phenomenon in which charged particles are transferred from one body to another. For example, if you take a balloon and rub it on your head, the balloon will stick. This is static electricity. Have you ever touched something or someone and it shocks you? This is static electricity. When would we use static electricity? Static electricity has several uses, also called applications, in the real world. One main use is in printers and photocopiers, where static electricity charges attract the ink or toner to the paper. Other uses include paint sprayers, air filters, and dust removal. What is current electricity? Electric current is the movement of electrons through a wire. Electric current is measured in amps and refers to the number of charges that move through the wire per second. What do we need to make current electricity work? For an electric current to happen, there must be a circuit. A circuit is a closed path or loop around which an electrical current flows. A circuit is usually made by linking electrical components together with a piece of wire cable. Many objects that we use in our everyday routine are powered by electricity, from computers and hair dryers to lamps and washing machines. What is a circuit? Circuits are all around us. They can be as simple as a battery connected to a light bulb and as complex as those found within computers. Circuits are like highways for electrons, which are particles that make up electricity. Electrons will always travel between positive and negative terminals of a power source, like a battery. Like people, electrons will never leave home unless they can get back. Therefore, electrons will only flow through a circuit that has a complete path between positive and negative terminals. If the electrons don't flow, then power won't flow, and anything connected to the circuit will not turn on. In addition, electrons are lazy. They will always take the path of least resistance, or the easiest route between terminals. For example, if given the choice between a path with a light bulb or a path without, they will take the path without the light bulb. Your turn. Static electricity or current electricity? We asked the students these 5 questions and they had to tell us the difference between static and current. And that's the end of the science lesson for today. You can use this information to answer your Google Forms a little bit later, and we will be back with you again real soon.